In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find HubSpot backup code. First, start by signing in to HubSpot. This is your gateway to all the features and settings available in your account. You will see a clean, user-friendly interface that makes navigation easy. Once you enter your login credentials, you will be taken to your HubSpot dashboard. This central hub provides access to your tools and settings. It is essential to sign in correctly to ensure you have the right permissions to access your account details, especially your backup codes. Once you are signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen. There you will find your profile picture. Click on it. This action reveals a drop-down menu where you can access various settings related to your account. Your profile picture is a quick way to access personal settings without navigating through multiple menus. It's a small but effective shortcut that saves you time. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Profile and Preferences. This option takes you to a dedicated section for managing your account settings. Here you will find a range of options related to your profile, including your preferences for notifications and privacy settings. Making sure your profile is set up correctly is crucial for a seamless user experience within HubSpot. After that, look for the left sidebar on your screen. In this sidebar, go to the Security and Privacy section. This area is vital for managing your account's security features. It is essential to be aware of your security settings to protect your information. Ensuring your account is secure helps prevent unauthorized access and keeps your data safe. Now you will find the two-step verification section. This section is especially important because it adds an extra layer of security to your account. Two-step verification is a simple yet effective way to enhance your account's protection. If you have not enabled it yet, consider doing so after finding your backup codes to secure your account further. From there, you will see an option to click View Backup Codes or Show Backup Codes. This step is crucial as these codes are your safety net should you ever lose access to your primary authentication method. Clicking this will display your backup codes, which are typically a series of numbers. These codes can be used when you cannot access your usual verification method. At this point, you may be prompted to verify your identity. This prompt is a standard security measure designed to ensure that only you have access to these sensitive codes. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. It might feel tedious, but it is necessary for your security. Remember, this step helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Finally, copy or download the backup codes and store them somewhere secure. This final action is vital for ensuring you can access your account in the future. Consider using a password manager or a secure note application for storage. It is essential to keep these codes safe as they are your lifeline if you ever need to regain access to your account. By following these steps, you will have successfully located and secured your HubSpot backup codes. This process not only enhances your account security but also gives you peace of mind knowing you have a backup plan in place. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful.